My name's Rebecca and I'm a tutor here at Cornwall College. Today I'm going to show you how to cut your own fringe. So as you can see, I've got a side fringe, but it's actually growing out, and where I've previously cut it, I've actually got overhangs, so we need to tidy that up. So at home, you want a nice pair of sharp scissors, a comb, and then either some clips or these curvy grips will do, just so we'll clip the hair out the way so you don't cut anything you don't need to. So comb that fringe in. So, using the smaller part of your comb, because that's where you'll be able to get the hair in a tighter grip, comb it into place from underneath and at an angle. So my fringe sweeps to the side, so my fingers are going to point to the ceiling if it's going to go to your left hand side. So comb in at an angle. I would like it shorter at the top through to the end. And I'm just going to do a point cutting technique. Have a look, sweep it over to the side again and see if that's enough off. I know a bit more off my angle, and I chop into it straight ways to get rid of that heavy line now. So just going straight up, you're going to remove the bulk. You're always best to take a little bit and then you can go back and take more off. Because hair supposedly will grow 1/2 inch a month. So it'll be a little while till it grows back if you go too short. If you're cutting in a new fringe, it will need to have time to get into that new shape and position. So overnight, just use one of the curvy grips again and sleep with it in so it helps to go into that shape that you want. Just a tiny bit off that corner. Sometimes you might need to use straighteners to help with the curve, or it might just sit naturally. I've got a cow's lick, so I cannot have a full fringe because it would part in the middle. There you go. So it's just a little bit wispy and fly away at the minute because I've just been combing it, but a little bit of spray and that will hold it in place.